Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. Just want to give you an update before the weekly candle close, really only an intraday update. Obviously, we talked about the bigger picture earlier today. In case you are not aware, I covered Bitcoin dominance and the larger structures also on our MCO Global channel. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Check it out for the bigger picture. Here on the smaller time frame, Bitcoin has moved up, but some altcoins even more. Actually, that's one of the reasons why Bitcoin dominance dropped today. But Bitcoin is pushing a little bit. The support zone we talked about in the last 24 hours here is holding. Micro support is between $111,240 and $107,550. As I said, it's holding and we're grinding higher. Currently in wave C of circle wave B potentially. In the orange scenario, quick reminder, this is the B wave that I shared with you already many weeks ago on the daily chart. It's more clearly visible, this one, yeah, this B wave. So I'm just showing you how this B wave could play out. Now we have to say the A wave itself lasted, well, several weeks. It's possible this is going to be all of the B wave, but I think we need to be ready that this B wave might extend. So what I actually show you here on the smaller time frame is just maybe an initial 3-wave move in circle wave B. We'll have to see how this all unfolds. For example, what could happen is this is A, B, C, okay, but maybe it's just the A wave of the B wave, then we get a 3-wave move down, and we go up again, and then eventually this would be the top of circle wave B over there, okay? But in the short term, this doesn't matter. In the short term here, we're really more focused on really short-term support, short-term trends, and do we get a 5-wave move up? Because if we can get this white count now done, 5 waves up, which is easier said than done, yeah, the 5-wave move is that what Bitcoin might struggle with. But if we get 5 waves up, that is the first indication that really a meaningful low has formed in this larger degree, 4th wave that bottomed on Friday. Again, Bitcoin has actually held quite well. We're currently fighting here with the resistance levels, these previous swing highs, which formed here in the area around $115,200. Currently fighting with this. If we can push above, it might take Bitcoin to $119,370. That's the first resistance from a Fibonacci point of view, Fibonacci resistance. The 100% extension A wave, B wave, C wave. And the C wave could be unfolding right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that third ideally even pushes a little bit higher. Now, I mentioned to you already in the last update, if we can push higher, grind higher, reach 123,280, then this would even be the first ideal target for a viable third wave. Then I will add support for wave 4. Wave 4 then should have enough room not to overlap with wave 1, with the wave 1 top that formed here around, $115,100. So that's why the third needs to go to the 138% extension. Then again, we will watch for the wave 4, and maybe if we can get a wave 5, then this is our first indication we are on our way to all-time highs. Yeah. For now, micro support is holding, and I don't have high expectations here. I think the weekly candle close will be very, very important. Bear in mind, tomorrow is a public holiday in the US, so stock market is going to be closed today. That again means that maybe tomorrow is rather quiet, but we'll see. It was turbulent on Friday. I can tell you it was a long weekend. And but that should give you support, resistance. I'll definitely keep you updated. Interesting developments here in the sector. Hope you liked the update. I hope it added some value. If you like the update, make sure that you also follow us on X for additional charts, news, updates, and much more. I'll leave a link for you guys in the description and also in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.